The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is finally official, and here's a first look at all the new smartphones. Exactly review नहीं है because I'm yet to test these devices. By the way, मैंने pricing details description में डाल दिया है. लेकिन आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे इनके फीचर्स के बारे में, about all the specifications and of course the Galaxy AI. And the good thing is that all these new software features are available on all three smartphones, मतलब the most affordable Galaxy S25, the bigger and slightly better S25 Plus, and the most valued player in the lineup, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Directly शुरू करते हैं with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra से, which I think is the most interesting device in the lineup. Also, finally, Samsung has upgraded its design after 3 years. If you look at last year's Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and this year's Samsung S25 Ultra, आपको डिजाइन में काफी डिफरेंसेस देखने को मिलेगा. जो सबसे ज्यादा एविडेंट है वो है इसके राउंडेड कॉर्नर्स, बट फिर भी आपको फ्लैट एजेस देखने को मिलेंगे. There is still an S Pen support and it comes with the smartphone inside the slot. And personally, I think it is a big achievement because when Samsung introduced the Galaxy S Pen support on the Galaxy S series, the biggest concern was कि भाई इसके weight को कैसे maintain करे, इसके slim profile को कैसे maintain करे. Well, of course, for the last 3 years, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was slightly thicker, but finally, things have changed this time. For instance, compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a lot slimmer. ये measure करता है 8.2 mm in thickness. Even weight भी इस साल इसका काफी कम हुआ है. It weighs 218 grams, which might not be exactly lightweight in the smartphone standard, but again, compared to 232 grams which was earlier with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, this year the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a lot more portable and of course a lot more lightweight on your palms. Also, अभी भी आपको titanium build देखने को मिलेगा. There are new color options: titanium silver blue, titanium black, titanium white silver and titanium grey. Durability remains the same as last year, that is IP68 certification for dust and water, which is absolutely fine for this flagship smartphone. Another change that I quite like on this year's Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the size of the display. It comes with a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz variable refresh rate. मतलब आपका refresh rate 1Hz से लेके सीधा 120Hz तक बैलेंस कर सकता है. Vision booster technology भी है for punchy colors. And last year Samsung ने anti-glare coating introduce किया था on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, जो इस साल भी Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra में है, and which I personally like quite a lot because if you look at the viewing experience, इस कोटिंग की वजह से आपको रिफ्लेक्शंस बहुत कम देखने को मिलते हैं. वेदर यू वाचिंग कंटेंट इनसाइड और आउटडोर्स, ब्राइटनेस के हिसाब से भी आपको कोई शिकायत नहीं होगी. अब 6.9 इंच का डिस्प्ले सुनने में काफी बड़ा लगता है, बट Samsung has actually achieved this by reducing the size of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and that's because Samsung ने इस साल bezels को छोटे कर दिए हैं, which is offering more viewing area जब आप स्क्रीन को diagonally measure करेंगे. रही बात कैमरास की, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features almost the same features as last year's Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. मतलब कि there is still a 200 megapixel primary camera, 2 telephotos कैमरा मिलेंगे with 50 megapixel and 10 megapixel with 3x and 5x optical zoom. The ultra wide camera has been upgraded to a 50 megapixel camera and the front gets the same 12 megapixel selfie camera जो बाकी Samsung Galaxy S25 series के स्मार्टफोन्स में भी available है. And as I mentioned, अभी तक मैंने इस स्मार्टफोन को टेस्ट नहीं किया है, so I can't exactly give you my verdict about the cameras yet. But अगर हम Samsung के पुराने अल्ट्रा स्मार्टफोन्स को देखें, well, हमारे 91 मोबाइल्स में इनफैक्ट Samsung has been winning the best smartphone award and camera award for its ultra smartphones. So again, we have very high hopes with the S25 Ultra this year again. But एक चीज है जिसको Samsung claim करता है, which has improved quite a lot, is the video performance. अब by default 10-bit आपको colors मिलेंगे वीडियो से, which means your color output will be a lot more vibrant. Also जो Pro mode है, that has a new option where you can adjust the depth of field. That means जो आपको bokeh effect देखने को मिलता है वीडियोस में, now you can manually adjust that. और साथ में there are some editing tools. There is a new audio eraser feature in the editing option, which Apple also introduced in its iPhone 16 lineup. And I personally like this feature quite a lot क्योंकि ये काफी handy आ सकता है अगर आप outdoor shoot कर रहे हैं without your microphone. And when it comes to performance, Samsung is making very big claims and for all the right reason because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra now comes with Qualcomm's latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite chipset. और हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है what a smartphone with this processor can achieve, जैसे OnePlus 13 में देखा था, iQOO 13 में भी देखा था हमने. In fact, iQOO 13 and Realme GT7 Pro are among the best performers in her Antutu benchmark. दोनों का स्कोर 25 लाख के ऊपर है Antutu में, and of course we can expect Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to achieve similar results if not better. So in other words, you can easily expect smooth and lag-free performance on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. In fact, Samsung के Ultra smartphones में कभी performance की इतनी शिकायत नहीं रही. In fact, इस साल भी the Galaxy S25 series, not just Ultra but all the other smartphones as well, उनमें आपको 7 साल का Android और 7 साल का सिक्योरिटी अपडेट का प्रॉमिस मिलता है. And there are some interesting Android 15 based One UI and AI features as well. For example, Gemini Live by Google on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is much smarter. इसमें आप फोटोज वगैरह को आराम से एनालाइज करवा सकते हो. There is also a now bar option which basically displays timer or step count or even direction on the lock screen, which is when the phone is locked. There is now a now pre feature जो आपके scrolling habits या फिर activities का एक summary देते हैं, again powered by AI. Another cool feature is the AI select जो text और even videos को समझ सकते हैं. It can be very helpful to add dates or just take notes. It's basically a more advanced version of Google Circle to search, but it can analyze numbers and text and you can add them to your calendar or your notes app. And because of the new processor, Samsung is making some tall claims about the camera performance. Well, उसको हम test करेंगे, but there is one feature that really caught my eye and it is the generative edit. And through this, इससे AI और भी जल्दी scenes को समझ सकता है and can edit images with just a few clicks. And there are other things as well जिसको मुझे अच्छे से पूरा टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा to give you a final verdict. But then स्पेसिफिकेशन के हिसाब से अभी भी Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra में just as Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra आपको 5000 mAh बैटरी मिलेगा with 45 watt charging support. Samsung claim करता है with its proprietary charger the phone can achieve 65% charge in 30 minutes. Well, we'll have to see and test that. साथ में आपको wireless charging भी support मिल जाएगा. You will also get reverse wireless charging support. Well, again, these are handy features for users who have been using Samsung devices for a long time. So guys, that was the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. लेकिन और भी दो smartphones इस lineup में, which is the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Well, अगर हम ये तीनों smartphones को देखें, obviously the Ultra will look a lot different, but the other two smartphones they resemble each other, but sizes में काफी difference है. But at least the good thing is that सारे smartphones में आपको same AI features मिलेंगे. In fact, all the smartphones are now powered by the Snapdragon chipset, so performance में आपको कोई शिकायत नहीं होगी. In fact, benchmark numbers can be also more or less similar, but again, we'll have to check that. And since I mentioned S25 and S25 Plus के sizes में difference है, वो हम देख लेते हैं. Display sizes के हिसाब से the Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus gets a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display. Obviously, size में the regular model is smaller just like last year, but this year, both smartphones now feature a slimmer body. The S25 measures just 7.2 mm in thickness and weighs 162 grams. करीब 5 ग्राम का डिफरेंस है from its predecessor. The S25 Plus measures 7.3 mm and weighs 196 grams. करीब 6 ग्राम्स का डिफरेंस है from its predecessor. Otherwise, कैमरा हार्डवेयर स्पेसिफिकेशन अभी भी दोनों के सेम है. 50 मेगापिक्सल का वाइड, 12 मेगापिक्सल का अल्ट्रा वाइड and 10 megapixel का telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and again there is a 12 megapixel front camera for selfies. And as I mentioned, there is going to be some leap in the performance, but the coolest part that I find is that the Samsung Galaxy S25 now comes with directly 12GB of RAM even if you opt for the 128GB storage variant, which I feel is a pretty big upgrade. But there is one thing that you need to keep in mind, वो है जो generally non-ultra smartphones होते हैं Samsung के from the S series, उनमें कभी कभार लोग heating issues के बारे में बात करते हैं. Well, Samsung did improve that last year and there were significant changes. We'll have to see and test whether those heating issues are not persistent on the S25 and S25 Plus, although I hope it's not going to be the case like that with the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite, जो बाकी smartphones में ऐसा कुछ देखने को नहीं मिला है. And finally, दोनों के बैटरी साइजेस के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. बैटरी साइज अभी भी दोनों स्मार्टफोन्स में सेम है. That means the S25 gets a 4000 mAh battery with just 25 watt charging, and the S25 Plus gets a 4900 mAh battery with 45 watt charging support. And also do keep in mind, कोई भी Samsung स्मार्टफोन के साथ आपको अडेप्टर नहीं मिलता है, which you have to purchase separately. So finally, let's see the summary of all the new 3 smartphones. तीनों स्मार्टफोन्स में आपको सेम प्रोसेसर मिलेगा, सेम सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपीरियंस भी देखने को मिलता है, 7 साल का एंड्रॉइड एंड 7 साल का सिक्योरिटी अपडेट प्रॉमिस है. All phones have IP68 rating, so dust and water protection आपको सेम देखने को मिलेंगे, but sizes are obviously different. The S25 Ultra is the biggest of them all. Display sizes are also again different. Camera specs S25 and S25 Plus के सेम है, but the S25 Ultra gets an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Plus यहाँ पे आपको एक 10 मेगापिक्सल का एडिशनल टेलीफोटो कैमरा देखने को मिलता है along with a 50 मेगापिक्सल टेलीफोटो कैमरा. फ्रंट कैमरास तीनों स्मार्टफोन्स में सेम है, that is a 12 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा, and finally बैटरी साइजेस डिफरेंट है. So guys, that was the first look at the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series जहाँ पे 3 smartphones है. Obviously the highlight is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Do share your thoughts in the comments, और अगर आपको कोई भी comparison देखना है और anything you want to know about these smartphones, do put that in the comments. You're watching 91 Worlds. I'm Abhik and I'll see you very soon.